Hello everyone in the repair workshop community. This is Ivy from Battocore, and I'm very glad to see you all again. As a professional new energy vehicle repair workshop, do you source high voltage batteries from overseas? Are the prices competitive? Is your overseas high voltage battery supplier professional? Have those lithium battery modules gone through proper inspection procedures? Do they provide quality assurance for the lithium batteries they sell? Do they also offer the corresponding technical support for diagnostics, installation, and programming? Battcore is here to help solve all of these concerns for you. Our modules cover many brands such as BMW, Mercedes, Benz, Porsche, Volkswagen, Tesla, Toyota, Nissan, and more. We offer both hybrid and pure EV batteries, including aftermarket parts and used OEM modules. Today, we come to our warehouse to show you our complete 8-step factory inspection process. First, we carry out a comprehensive visual inspection of the battery module to make sure there is no swelling, leakage, corrosion, scratches, burn marks, oxidation, or any other abnormal condition. Based on these checks, any problematic modules are eliminated. We use an internal resistance tester to measure and record the voltage and internal resistance of each module and each individual cell. Taking this module as an example, we first place the test probes on the positive and negative terminals of one cell, and the reading shown is the voltage of that individual cell. The voltage difference between these cells is controlled within 0.1 voltage, which means this is a qualified module if the voltage of one cell differs from the others by more than 0.1 voltage. Then, the entire module is considered unusable and must be discarded. We use an insulation resistance tester to ensure that the battery module has good insulation performance and to prevent leakage in the battery pack. One test probe is placed on the positive terminal of the module and the other on the module casing. If the resistance tends toward infinity, it means the insulation is good. The same applies to the negative terminal. At this stage, we use balancing equipment to equalize the voltage of each individual battery cell to ensure voltage consistency. After balancing is completed, the module is left to rest for 30 minutes before measuring the total module voltage. We set the system to balance the cells to 3.65 voltage. The voltage of each individual cell will be displayed on the screen, and the inspector monitors the condition of every cell. The module is being left to rest. Now the module has finished balancing and has rested for half an hour. We measure its voltage again, and this module meets the standard, so it can move on to the next round of testing. The voltage range of ternary lithium batteries is between 2.8 voltage and 4.2 voltage. We need to simulate a fully charged state and observe whether the voltage behavior during charging is normal. Using the balancing device, we charge the battery until the individual cell voltage reaches 4.2 voltage. Then discharge it until the individual cell voltage drops to 2.8 voltage. The balancing device will display the capacity of each cell, and this data is recorded for the grading process. After that, the battery is recharged to 3.65 voltage, completing the first full charge-discharge cycle. Any module containing cells with charging or discharging performance issues will be discarded. Each customer has different needs and budgets, so we make a comprehensive judgment based on production year, internal resistance, voltage difference, capacity, and other factors, and classify the modules into grades such as A, B, and C, with different price levels. For example, for this batch of BMW 34 ampere-hour modules, if all other conditions are nearly the same, but the capacity differs, we classify modules with a capacity of greater than or equal to 34 ampere-hour as grade A modules between 31 ampere-hour and 33 ampere-hour, as grade B and modules at 31 ampere-hour, as grade C, with grade C being discarded. For overseas customers, we only ship grade A products. Now we have arrived at the aging room in our warehouse. Earlier, we confirmed the capacity and performance of the individual cells. Now we need to test the performance of the entire module, which requires the use of an aging cabinet. We place the module into the aging cabinet and charge the whole module to 4.2 volts times the number of cells in series, simulating a fully charged state. Then, we discharge the whole module to 2.8 volts times the number of cells in series. And finally, recharge it to 3.65 volts times the number of cells in series, completing the second full charge-discharge cycle. Our module is now undergoing the aging process. During this period, all battery module data and conditions are displayed on the computer screen, and the technician records the performance of the tested module in order to eliminate any problematic modules. Earlier, we charged the individual cells to 3.65 voltage, which is equivalent to about 30% SOC. This is a voltage level that is more suitable for transportation, installation testing, and long-term storage. The modules are then placed in the pre-shipment warehouse awaiting dispatch. Before shipment, we carry out one final measurement of the voltage difference between individual cells. And once we confirm that the voltage difference is controlled within 0.1 voltage, the module is approved for packing and shipment. The quality inspector then organizes all the earlier test data and completes the product performance report. This report includes the detailed battery data and warranty information. A digital copy of the report will be sent to you, and the printed version will be placed inside the package and delivered together with the battery. Only after going through all of the above 8 steps can the module be officially approved for shipment. We do not sell defective products, which is why we are willing to openly document and provide real test data. This is both our responsibility to our customers and a reflection of our confidence in the quality of our own products. Making the transaction process smoother and more transparent is something we have always strived for. We hope this is not just a transaction, but the beginning of a friendship. Contact us. Grow your EV business.